oh my god, there's like little pieces of burnt wax. Hey good people, it's CC Devereaux. I got a really good question from one of my subscribers by the name of Puzzle Fit. Hey girl. And she wanted to know what tool did I use to interlock my hair when my locks were shorter. And surprisingly, I used the same tool. However, I did have to manipulate it in order for it to fit against the scalp from a shorter lock, because the distance isn't long enough for the original length. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I manipulate this tool so you can interlock your short starter locks. Okay, so if you've seen in my previous video how to interlock, I use the plastic yarn needles you can find at a craft store or at Walmart for the low, and I showed you guys how I manipulate the opening so that it's wide enough to fit a wider size lock, not too wide, but just so that it's not as slim as the original version of it. When you go to interlock it, if it's this short, you can't get the needle can't make its way past the scalp. If you can see that, it'll be too long to make it through. So what I used to do is shorten it, and I simply burn it off. So I take a lighter, and mind you, this burns really quickly, very fast, so you want to be careful. Just hold the flame to where you want to. I used to burn it off about midway. See how quick that is? Just twist it off. Don't start a fire. And I would mold it so that it's nice and smooth. Be careful, don't burn your fingers, guys. And voila. Your tool is now half the size of the original, so you can now interlock a shorter lock. If you guys need any further details on how to do that, just let me know down in the description. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and yeah, it's that easy. Until next time, you guys. Bye, good people.